Yeah, hello everybody. This is Momentum Mind Affairs, and we're here again to bring you how to pass your exams easy and quietly. Either you're writing WAEC, NECO, or JAMB, there are every questions you are asked as solutions. But how do you answer them? For example, as a physics student, somebody asks you that when you look at the grass, it's green. They then ask you, why is it green in color? Will you say it's because it's naturally green? That's not how to answer it. Every color, for example, in white light has 7 colors. White light has 7 colors. These are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So when these 7 colors mix together, they form white color. So when you look at any color, like the color of the grass that looks green, it means when the white lights come from the outer space, from the spectrum, it means those grasses, they absorb this, they absorb all this color. This is absorbed. These ones absorbed. The blue, all these ones, they are all absorbed, while the green is reflected. So it is the one that it reflects away that you see in your eye. So if you see a blue color, that color is absorbing all the other 6 colors, but reflecting blue. It's the one that's reflected away that you will see as the color of that particular item. So if you see an object and you see it is red color, fine. It is red because it's absorbing all colors in the spectrum except red. It's reflecting red. It is the one it reflects that will come to your eye that you see that's red color. Then in that case, what happens to black and white? When you see a black substance or a white color, what happens to them? Let's start with black. When you see a color that is black, it means that particular item is absorbing all the colors in the spectrum. It's not reflecting anything. So once a light is not reflected, you see everything will be blank, with black. You won't see anything. So when you see a white color, when you see a black color, it means that particular item that's black is absorbing all the colors in the spectrum without reflecting anyone. Then for white, what happens in white color? This board now is white because when the light shines on it, it reflects all the 7 colors back at you, and when they are reflected, they mix together to form white color. So that is the simple thing about how you see colors. Though there are 2 types of color mixing. We have additive color mixing in light and subtractive in paints or pigment. We shall talk about this in the subsequent videos. So I think today you have learned that any color you see on an object is the color the object is reflecting to you while absorbing all the other 6 colors in the spectrum. If you see a yellow color, if the substance is yellow, it means that upside, when light shines on it, it means it is absorbing all this. It absorbs all this, but it will reflect yellow. It doesn't want yellow. The one it reflects to you is the one that will come to your eye and you see the color as yellow. Hope you have learned one thing today. Bye.